I make my way through these long halls here at EICMA 2023, I find myself outside the Ducati pavilion. They have a lot of motorcycles on display, but I think the one motorcycle that's really caught my attention is the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono. Some impressive specs, some mad looking motorcycle. I'll take you through it. Okay, here we are in the presence of the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono. I remember seeing images and videos of this motorcycle on the internet and it looked a fair bit big, but right now here in the flesh, it looks like a toy bike. It looks so compact, so small, and it's got some pretty impressive specs too. Now this is a single cylinder motorcycle. It's coming out of the Ducati brand after a very long time, and in a sense, it is a motorcycle that is derived from the 1299 Panigale because the engine is basically cut into half. So it retains the bore, the intake, the exhaust valves and the Desmo valve system from the 1299 Panigale. Makes roughly 77 horses, 63 Newton meters, and while it might look like a simple motorcycle, it's actually not. It's loaded with electronics as well. So you're getting riding modes, power modes, wheelie control, traction control, so on and so forth. And that seat height is 904 mm. That's the standard seat height. So in every sense, shape and form, it is a Hypermotard. The drive weight is also pretty light. It's 151 kilos. So hopefully it will retain the madness that a Hypermotard's always been known for. Man, proper hooligan. This is going to make its way to India, hopefully next year, that is 2024. But the pricing is going to sit somewhere between that of a Scrambler and a Monster. So it's not exactly going to be super affordable like most of you guys are imagining this to be. It'll still come with the experience because it is coming in with quite a few things. The engine, the electronics. So it's a very impressive package on paper, and I hope those specs get translated really well onto the on-road experience as well. But this is pretty much it. Lots of people around here, and I hope the overlays bit sort out the visuals for you. This is the Ducati Hypermotard 698 Mono. Fantastic looking bike, isn't it?